Residents of Ikota community in Ajah local government of Lagos State were thrown into a state of pandemonium as some unidentified men, believed to be land grabbers, came in an attempt to demolish structures in their community.
Waking up with the intent of going about their day's activity was the plan of the numerous residents of Ikota area of Ajah local government in Lagos State, until some men came with heavy-duty demolition vehicles and started bringing down structures. Though the buildings had been marked days ago, some residents said they could not understand why their structures were marked, as they had been moved from Morocco to where they currently are.
The numbers of people that are living in this estate is over 1 million. They've been living peacefully, they do their living activities here, the school here, their investment, most of their investment are here. And they have been living peacefully. They have the ability to maneuver themselves in the community. And these are the same people that are serving all the houses, the more comfortable buildings around the vicinity.
Some who spoke said they initially thought it was the government and therefore sent delegates to the state government, who told them that the marking of their houses for demolition was not from the government. Who then is the next suspect? Land grabbers.
Unknowing people, all these tribal people, they came in Ikota here. They started marking house one by one. They came from us that they have meetings, CDA chairman, by the following day. Okay, when they went there, these people, nobody know where these people come from. Nobody know who sent them. It's not government send them.
We are under democracy. Government of the people, by the people, and for the people. A democratic government respects its people. No matter where you are living. If at all you want to remove them, there is need for courtesy. There is need for that mutual respect. The government that I know, under the control of APC, will never do this type of wicked thing. That I know. Honorable Nahim Adams, representing us, a just and constituency at Lagos State House of Assembly, he came to address us, and he promised to address it through government, the legislation, to let the executive go. And since that time, nobody from the government has called to tell me this is what will be happening.
Although men and youths of the community came out in their mass to stop the perpetrators from carrying out their act, they called on the government to provide security, as their lives were in danger due to the several attacks on them, especially at night.
But this is not from under government. This is illegal something. We call it illegal. Now, the best thing government, because many people will die because of this problem. The best thing, I want government to protect us from Aragusa, from federal, state and federal, to give us security over here, so we can save. Because these people, sometimes they will come, carry gun, and many things, come and attack us in the night. Please, I want government to do something about this matter.
Moyo Lania, reporting for AIG Media Pro TV.